Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Spring Nectar TV Yoga presentation. Today's asana, we are going to do Trikonasana. Very basic pose, but a wonderful stretch for the entire body. So you are going to come on your toes, and standing in Samasthiti, hands to the side. Keeping your body straight and gaze at one point. Slowly from here, you have to take your legs apart. You want to jump the yogic plane, then bend your knees. Move, shake here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move your knees. 1, 2, 5. Then you will, without any damage, you will jump. Then once again, bring it down, up, stretch it. Bring it down, up, stretch it. Bring it down, up, stretch it. Bring it down, up. Then slowly lift one leg up and keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coming to the other side, shifting the weight to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once again, shake your body. Now bend your knee, soften your knees. Then take your legs apart. In this way, if you jump, you won't damage your knees. From here, we are going to do Trikonasana, and you are going to take your right toe out, and you are going to bend your right knee and bring it back. Bend it and bring it back. Bend it and stretch it. Keep it straight if you can in Trikonasana. Then taking your hands to the sides, inhaling, and take your body to the right side. Go shift your weight to the right side and slowly come down to, as you exhale, to drop the hands to your ankle or to the mat. Anywhere. Take the other hand up to stretch in Trikonasana. Slowly coming up, inhaling, and exhale, slowly moving down as you shift the weight to the right side. And moving down and going up to look the hand which you are stretching out, holding it straight. Normal breathing once you go into the posture. Slowly coming up, inhaling. Exhale one more time, you are going to go down. You go and drop your hand to your any ankle, or you touch your toes, or you keep it out of the leg, wherever it is. Inhaling slowly and exhale to go down. And drop, be comfortable and take your gaze up to the stretched hand, which you can hold in Chin Mudra, looking up in Trikonasana. Slowly coming up, bringing the right toe in. You want to do the same stretches to the left house of your body, so bringing the left toe out. Slowly bend your knee and stretch it. Bend your knee and stretch it. Bend your knee and stretch it. Are you comfortable keeping it stretched? Be there. Take your hands, inhaling here and exhale, shift. Go to the left and drop your hand down as you raise the other hand up to look up. Hand you can hold in Chin Mudra. Here in normal breathing, holding the pose in Trikonasana. Slowly coming up as you inhale to the center. Exhaling, going down to touch your ankle and taking the hand up in Chin Mudra to look up. Inhale, once again come up. Exhale. Move as you go down to drop the hand to your ankle or to the mat, wherever it is. Be comfortable. Look up to see the hand which you are stretching up. Keep breathing a normal breathing. Slowly coming up, inhaling. And you are going to bring your toes in. That was Trikonasana. And now you are going to do Parivrtta Trikonasana. To do, bring your hands, same position. Toes are facing the horizontal side of the mat to the front. You are going to raise your hands up, inhaling. As you exhale, come, twist. Twist your body. Drop your hand to the opposite toe. Touch it and look up to your other hand which is stretched. Keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly coming up all the way. Inhaling. Exhaling, going to the side and looking up. Hand and chin mudra. Inhaling, slowly coming up. Exhale, twist and go to the other side. Look up. You can look the thumb which is there, or look the middle finger. Slowly coming up, inhaling. Exhaling, going to the other side. Okay, slowly come back, inhaling. Can you go and touch your heel and take the hand back to look up. Be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly coming down, inhaling. Exhaling, going to the left, right side heel, catching hold of it and looking up to your hand. In Trikonasana, stabilizing and looking up. 3, 4, 5. Slowly coming up, inhaling and exhale. Bring your hands down. You can also bring your legs step by step and come to Samasthiti again. Stand in Samasthiti. Keep your body straight. Look at one point. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Yeah. The next pose we are going to do a forward bend, that is Padahastasana. We are going to bend forward and it is also called Uttanasana. You are going to bend forward and touch your toes or drop your hands down and keep it there. This is called Padahastasana, also called Uttanasana. So to do that, inhaling, you will raise your hands up in Namaste gesture, exhaling, slowly coming down to drop your hands down, to look for your navel in this pose. Normal breathing after going into the pose. Hold the pose for 5, 3, 4, 5. Slowly coming up, inhaling. Exhaling, slowly hands comes down. You are dropping it to your legs or dropping it in front of your legs. Pressing it down and looking for your navel so that you lock your chin to the collarbone. Slowly coming up, inhaling. This time I am going to show you from the sideways. Inhale up and slowly exhaling down in Padahastasana. also called Uttanasana. Inhale, come up, and exhale to touch. It's a forward bend. A total surrendering pose once again. Folding your body into two, or joining your upper body and your lower body. Once you feel comfortable here doing Padahastasana, you can take your hands back, hold your ankle, try to move in a little more by pressing your chin to the collarbone. Go down. Keep your eyes open, be stable. Slowly coming up, inhaling and exhale. Coming to the hands, comes to the side. Now we are going to do inhaling, hands goes up. Exhale, come down, be here. Push your hands down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly inhaling, coming up. Exhaling, going to the right side, the same way, touching down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, coming up. Exhaling, going to the left, touching down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly inhale, come up. Exhale, hands comes to the side. Take a deep breath in. Take your hands up and slowly relax your hand, come down. Once again, take a deep in breath, go up and slowly relax and bring your hands to the side. Now we are going to do a twisting asana. This is called the Kati Chakrasana. You can bring your legs hip width apart or little more. From here you are going to raise your hands. This is a spinal twist too. So you are going to twist to the right and left side. Bringing your hands to the center, inhaling here. Exhale, go to the side. 2. Preparatory pose for the twist. Inhaling, coming up here. Exhale, go to the other side. Once again, inhale here. Exhale, now go. Twist your hip and your back. Inhale, coming back. Exhale to twist to the other side. Inhale, once again coming back. Exhaling, relaxing and twisting your hip. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist to the other side. Slowly coming back, inhaling and exhaling, bring your hands down. Slowly, now we are going to include one more pose in this. That is, we did Hasta Uttanasana, Pada Hastasana, and we are going to do a very simple one more pose in this today as a sequence. Okay? Take your hands up, inhaling Hasta Uttanasana. Come down to touch your leg, exhaling Pada Hastasana, and sitting in Utkatasana, you are going to sit comfortably here. This is Utkatasana. So slowly going up, inhaling all the way up. You are in Hasta Uttanasana. Slowly coming down, touching your legs. You are doing Pada Hastasana. And coming back, exhaling, going down and sitting comfortably to do a Namaste gesture here. And getting up, inhaling up. Hasta Uttanasana. Exhaling, your body comes down from your hips to do Pada Hastasana and Utkatasana. Nicely sitting and keeping your hands to a Namaste gesture. Slowly come up, inhaling, going up, and exhale to bring your hands to the side. That was 3 poses together. Now we are going to sit down to calm down. Inhale through your nostrils, exhale through your mouth. Keep doing that. Okay. You are totally relaxed now. Yes. We are going to do a pranayama today. Very relaxing pranayama. That is called the Sukut pranayama. Also called the Sugandha pranayama. You are going to inhale to the center, exhale going to the side, making a whistling sound from your mouth. You are going to blow the candle also. You are going to do like this. One, make the noise. Can you do that? It's a fun-filled pranayama. And again, very relaxing pranayama for you. So keep your hands in chin mudra. Take a deep breath in and out. Once again, breath in and out. Now inhaling to the center. Exhale, move your neck and head to the right side and make a noise. Inhale to the center. Inhale to the center. Stretching your neck. Inhale to the center. Now chin to collarbone. So there are 4 movements. All the sides you are going to stretch your neck and head. The first one is to the right and to the left, then taking it back, then chin to the collarbone. You are bending forward. Can you do all the 4? Inhaling and exhaling. Slowly inhale. Here. Slowly open your eyes, bringing your hands to Anjali Mudra. You are going to chant one Om. Om. Now slowly rubbing your hands together, doing palming. And you are going to apply the heat on your eyes. Good for dry eyes, good for people who are all seeing the gadgets all the time. Hope you enjoyed the practice. Take care. See you in my next episode.
signing off. Bye bye.